Welcome to the Abacus and Field Guide to Creating a CRA My Business Account. In order to register for this type of account, you must first have already registered for a CRA account for individuals. If you have not yet done this, watch our How to Create a CRA My Account for Individuals video tutorial before moving forward. There is a link to the video in a description below. Open your web browser and enter CRA My Business Account into Google. Select the My Business Account search result. We have also provided a link to this page in the description below this video. Enter the username and password you used to create your CRA My Account for Individuals. Select Sign In. Enter your 9-digit business number, then select Add. Congratulations! You now have full access to CRA My Business Account. If you encountered issues during this process, contact the CRA for further assistance. The number to call is on your screen.